And that just happened like a couple of weeks ago?
Rain?
Just with the rain? Okay.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Thank you, Captain. Pleasure. Well done. Hello. Yippee! You see how easy it is just to mount and move. Whoa, well done. I wonder which equipment they used to do that. Yeah, because this is quite a high point going down. So yeah, it is, and the slope is quite intense. There is no sun today, unlike yesterday. Yeah, where did the sun go? This is afternoon time. You would be putting yourself at risk coming in the morning.
Awesome, guys. Welcome into the Fiordland National Park. Do many of you know much about Fiordland National Park?
Milford Sound.
No, Fiordland National Park.
Yeah, part of Milford Sound.
So, Fiordland National Park, as soon as you're on Lake Te Anau, you're in the national park. Okay, it's 1.2 million hectares inside. The easiest way for me to remember is that it's 5% of New Zealand's land mass is Fiordland National Park. No one lives here. There's a few dot huts and a few dot ranges that are stationed out at different times. There's no permanent residents, and that's why it is vast. Lake Te Anau was carved out during the Ice Age. So the ice shelf came through here. It took all the nice soil and gave it to all the farms out this way, and left just the granite and the limestone rock behind that you can see. So a lot of these trees have a very shallow soil base that they're clinging to, and the moss is a real key component of that. But I'll explain that a little bit more when we get into the bush. So our track is largely unmanicured, so we'll be stepping over root trees and things. What we're looking for is our orange markers on the side of the track. If at any point you're finding that it's too muddy, or we have to go too cross country, you're more than welcome to come back to the boat at any point. I might grab my radio. Yeah, thank you. So we'll also try to stay together as well. It's very easy to go in a long distance. So I'll make sure I've got all of you with me. We're just waiting on time between the bathroom and the radio. And I lost my voice. So, cool.
Megan's got quite the background, wedding photography for 20 years, and I've managed to snappily for the time on the boat now, eh? Busy as ever, really.
The majority of the bush and the seedlings you see are the mountain beech. Directly behind us, Stephen down here, directly behind you there, we've got the manuka tree. Have you heard of manuka honey?
Yeah.
Yep, so that's our manuka tree here.
The tea tree planting,
Yeah.
it's very similar to the tea tree plant.
Yeah, very similar.
Manuka.
Yeah,
Yes.
Oh, that's a small one.
it is.
Right beside that manuka tree is a little baby southern rata tree. Yeah. So that's what and then this one here is a totara. The spiky guy, it's a totara. Yeah? Alright, so we'll head on this way and I'll point a few more things out as we go.
See you soon. I'll be here when you get back. Better be. Nice and warm.
All right, let me stay behind everybody just in case. No, it's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But you can see this tree down here literally growing straight out the side of the cliff. So all of the roots hang on to the other trees, and that's why we get so many tree avalanches. So if one tree dies, it usually takes all of its friends with it. There's a few things that have an impact on the trees in here. One of those is the wind. So the wind pulls up speed, drops down into the valley, snaps off all the tops of the trees. So that's why it's down here. And as we go around the corner in here, there's a whole new part of the forest where you can dig into and get more. So I need to find a new one.
I can get it for you. Southern
Southern Rata.
Rata Metro Dera Umbellata.
Umbellata, probably.
That's the binomial nomenclature naming system.
Yeah, it's been set up a while ago there. That's a nice one.
times to try and find kiwis. This is the type of a burrow that a kiwi would call home. So there hasn't been any activity at this particular burrow for a while, but it's a really good example. So those root systems that I was talking about, how they're hovering above the ground, that creates amazing little burrows for our kiwi. Unfortunately, it also creates amazing burrows for our possums and rats and stoats who like to eat kiwi eggs. So there's an island 25 kilometres up the lake called Centre Island, and it's far enough immersed into the middle of the lake that the rats and stoats and things can't actually swim out there, so it's a kiwi refuge. So there's quite a few different kiwi refuges around here.
So is the predator control here, or are these guys
Yeah, it is
surviving
predator-
despite the predators?
Yeah, there's predator control here, so there's a lot of stoat traps.
Right.
And we have a really amazing program with the schools called Kids Restore the Kepler. So we're in the Kepler forest at the moment, in these stoat lines. And each classroom at the school, right from the junior guys right up to the college, have their own stoat line that they are responsible for. And each term they go into the bush and they check the traps, reset them, and record. Yeah, and so there's a lot of the businesses that do the same thing as well, so all have the stoat lines. So it's a real community project to try and protect this area as much as we can. Yeah. And then we've got Fiordland furs who make amazing possum rugs out of the possums. Got one on the boat, so check that out.
And they're invasive, right?
They're incredibly invasive, and they carry a lot of disease for our livestock as well. Yeah. I love stopping here and just pointing out this crown fern that's directly in front of us in the track here. When we walk past, have a really good look behind you as you go past and just admire how that crown fern's managed to grow and what it's growing out of as we go past.
Yeah, it's just a piece of rock, isn't it?
No, it's stump.
The stump of it.
Around the side. Oh, so that's the portion of it is taken to the tree.
Oh, it's that too.
This is tree.
Oh, gosh. That's amazing, isn't it? Big trees, aren't they? These little big large green things.
Good, good.
Beautiful timber.
Right? They want it in that determinate puddle. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, you're all right. No, I'll get out of your way.
So what are we looking at?
So
Mushroom?
this- yeah, so this here. So that, actually, have. Yeah, so it's that special mushroom.
Ah, okay.
It's one on the tree here. So that's what she's saying, like, if you get caught in the bush, and you need to take fire with you, you scoop out the middle part of it, and you can put your embers in it,
Ah,
and then it will keep the embers hot. So when you get to your next destination and you need to start a fire, the embers, you've got embers that you can start a fire with.
interesting.
It's pretty cool, especially when you're in something wet like this.
Yep. Thank you for the explanation.
You're much welcome.
Ah, okay. Well done.
Protection on the younger plant.
Oh,
They
okay.
have them really hard, spiky leaves. Animals won't eat it. And it's very cool, and animals can't reach it.
Oh,
It's stuck in this one.
okay. That's interesting. Oh. Natural survivor.
That is.
their place names. We've got the South Fjord, the Middle Fjord, and the North Fjord on the lake. These guys are called the hidden lakes because you can't see them from the mainland. And depending on what tour guide you get, will tell you a different number of lakes. So I've counted 15 from an aircraft. Depending on the lake level, they sometimes combine or they disperse. So there's anywhere from 13 to 17 lakes in here at any given time. They were glacially formed, so they are quite deep, and they're very much a haven for the trout. They love to come up here and nest, and then they use the creek to get back down. We do get eels in here, and sometimes the eels are a bit confused and think they're snakes. They can actually travel up to as far as 4 kilometres on land. What they do is they come to the south of the creek. And the reason I know this is because I took over one of their but I only ever share that story once we get here. Not on the way up. No, we used to catch the kids in the middle of the parents and they travel up the irrigation to try and find more water, more food source. They are. That's exactly right. And their most favourite thing to do in here is right to that bush that you stand outside. That's a celery pine. So can you see how the one behind you is leaves on one side and got foliage on the other? So the deer will come in and rub themselves against that bush because it makes them smell nice for the ladies. So you can tell when the deer are busy in here because all of the celery pine are blank on like one side. Yeah. They do. The broadleaf. Yeah, the broadleaf don't really get a chance to get very big in here because the deer. And I think that that's part of the reason that the last fruit is the way it is. It's spiky when it's little, when it's low for animals to eat. It's not very. And then it's got a nice lush green leaves. So of course the more the deer and the possums and things lower. And I would imagine that I would have found the last one. They've got the meadow behind you here, that's got a little red area it's got a spiky plant, some rata in here. It's all self-seeding, and this area of the national park is yeah, it's hard to know. So, and what's really interesting, when you travel up to the top of the South Fjord and go in the bush here, the undergrowth, the trees are quite open to start, but the undergrowth is much higher than the ground is much higher. And there's 2 metres of any rainfall here and 10 metres at the top of the South Fjord. And so we think that that's the water density that changes the forest floor up there. There's a lot more bird life up there than what there is here, and that's because of this. So you could bush bash your way back to the kitchen track from here. I wouldn't recommend it, I've tried it. What we'll do is we'll head back to the boat the way we've come. And if you missed anything that I was talking about on the way out, just sing out. I'll try not to speak as much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading back to the boat. So hit that like button if you've enjoyed. It is food for the YouTube algo. What an experience, what a walk. And yes, if this is your first time on here, please kindly hit that subscribe button so that the numbers can reflect the quality of content that we give you guys on a regular basis. So please pledge your allegiance to us. Alrighty, no need for me to film everything going back, so I'll just end it on here. Oh, I've jammed the tour guide. Oh, okay. You waiting for us?
No, you're okay. I'm just
Thank
making
you.
sure no one goes the wrong way.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the way we want to go.
Thank you. Alrighty. Anyways, so rain is coming, drizzle. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed. What an outstanding trip it has been. So yes, kindly hit that like button. It is food for the YouTube algo. Alright, and yeah, let me make my way gradually. Like I said, no need to film the whole thing. I will see you guys once I reach the boat. Thank you.
Yeah, so we, it's all parted off.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so it's got tennis to it, like,
Yeah.
and then we're going to get it.
I think that's what it's on now, but I can't use it. We only day so.
Yeah. You know, that's not bad.
We were cruising up down in private silence and years ago.
So nice.
So they reckon that the small ones